What's up guys, welcome to new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial, and today I'm gonna show you this absolutely amazing rainforest environment. This is mind-blowing. As you can see, the quality of these assets are astonishing. Even I don't have these settings very high because if not, my computer cannot run it. Like I have it like around 2K, and then also textures of medium, things like that. Like this could look even, a lot better, but it won't run it. But look how cool is this. Like just overall, imagine a game being made with these environments over here. Like for example, just imagine ARK 2, made on here, and your tribe running around here, going ahead, collecting resources, making your base with the incredible creatures and stuff. Like just imagine the possibilities that you can have in this environments, in this worlds overall. So this is actually a marketplace, asset pack, so I will be linking it in the description just in case you want to go ahead and try it out, for yourself, because it is truly amazing. And like I just mentioned before, I have the settings a bit touched, so they're a bit low, so it runs a bit better, because if not, my computer really struggles on this. So this could look even better, okay guys? But my computer kind of struggles on this, so that's why. And yeah, overall this was just a quick video just showcasing this beauty that I have in front of my eyes. You can see looming working over here is reflecting all of the green, vegetation into the trees and so on. You can really notice it here. And overall, the quality of this is just amazing. It's mind-blowing. It looks really like a, Ubisoft, very advanced AAA environment, something like that, like the next Avatar. Like it is really amazing, and there's a lot of possibilities. Like I mentioned before, this is a marketplace asset, so you yourself can just get this pack and start making your games on it. So really, the possibilities are mind-blowing. And even I have to mention that the trees and vegetation are not with nanite, and there are a few reasons with this. This is not the latest build of the pack, and also if not, it will run a bit worse, okay? But if it was a nanite, man, this will look absolutely amazing, because you will have no LODs and no transitions in the trees or vegetation when I walk, and everything will just be beautiful. But like I mentioned before, if not, my computer will not be able to run that. But hey, it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, I just want to kind of share this incredible environment with you guys. I know I have already said like incredible and astonishing and beautiful, already 200 times in this video, but it is truly what I am feeling right now. So yeah, I will just go ahead and leave it in the description so you can go ahead and access it. And yeah, if you found the video interesting, I would really appreciate you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, so if you want to go ahead and check them out, go ahead, and also join my Discord server so you can go ahead and talk with other devs and so on. And follow me on all my socials, such as Twitter and Instagram. Now yes, with all I said, bye bye.